In other news, although we've avoided most of the snow so far this season, changes are coming later this week.
Local 5 meteorologist Dave Downey shares how you can help the National Weather Service right from your backyard.
See this ruler? It's all you need to help the NWS in emergency management for the upcoming snowstorm on Friday. Take a couple different measurements, average them out, and send them in. But the main question is, how?
We have a open public line that you can call in and actually speak to a human being. You don't have to go through a phone tree.
Not only that, there's a text line too. That number here on your screen. The NWS welcomes all types of reports, from photos and videos to texts of what you're seeing.
We want people to feel comfortable, be able to reach out to us when they have information that they have that's worth sharing.
With severe weather only a few months away, if you want to be a storm spotter, the NWS will hold classes for that too.
The one that we sponsor every year is the Skywarn Storm Spotter trainings. Those will start up here in another couple of months. Usually in March, we get those going in earnest and continue through April.
Giving visual confirmation of what you're seeing not only helps the NWS, but your neighbors as well.
Most often, once the community starts seeing pictures, videos, and you know the words and pictures and videos from people in their own community, that causes them to take action.
In Des Moines, Dave Downey, Local 5 News, Weir, Iowa.
I love that people can get involved like that because, you know, Iowans especially love the weather. They're going outside. And
totally weather aware here. Everybody's a weather weenie like myself.